Okay guys, today we're gonna go ahead and show you how to replace the Nissan Smart Box remote. The first thing that you need to do is take the emergency plate out by pressing right here. Swing this to the left and then take the emergency plate out. You're gonna see the two grooves right here with a little screwdriver. Just make it over. Once it popped up, that's it. You take it very slowly, and then you're gonna have the two halves, and with a little tweezer or screwdriver, you're gonna come from this side and take the battery out. And so the positive is gonna be in the bottom, and the negative is gonna be in the top. And the battery size is 2023 CR2032 CR2032. And the positive, and usually the positive has a side, so even if you got confused, make sure that you put it this way back in, replace the new one back in, and that's it. And it should be easy. And if you have any trouble with your keys, just clean it up and make sure stay away from the moisture. Once you replace the battery, you're gonna come close it back up from the side. And once you have it back in, make sure it's closed. Put the emergency plate back in. And if anytime, okay, so anytime that if you have any frequency detector, you can get your keys and remote clone, and you can check your frequency, and you can check the functionality of the bottom. Okay. All right. So anytime that you're gonna to make sure your remote is work or not, if you have a frequency detector, you can go ahead and check every push button to make sure it works. Okay guys, that's it. So it was a quick video to show you how to replace your battery for Nissan Smart Key. See you in the next video. If you want to learn how to program keys and troubleshooting electronics, check my other videos as well. Thank you.